In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a purchase agreement, Docusign, 5 minutes. We'll move step by step so you can create a professional agreement quickly and confidently. First, sign into your Docusign account. Make sure you're using the right workspace and that you have permission to send documents for signature. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that before moving on. From the main dashboard, head to the Templates tab. This is the fastest way to start with a solid foundation. Use the search and filter tools to find sales and purchase agreements. Picking a vetted template helps you avoid formatting issues and ensures standard clauses are in place. Open the guided form and enter the essentials, like the property address, purchase price, and the full legal names of the buyer and the seller. Fill in dates and any reference numbers carefully. Small typos can cause delays, so double check spelling and figures before continuing. If you already have a draft agreement in Word or PDF, you can upload it and convert it into a signable document. Click Start, select your file, and confirm that the pages render clearly. If it's a scan, check that text is readable and nothing important is cut off. Next, add your recipients, enter the buyer and seller names and their email addresses, and choose the signing order if one party needs to sign before the other. Label roles clearly so each field is assigned to the correct person. Use the left side menu to drag and drop fields onto the document. Place sign fields where signatures belong, initial fields on key pages, date signed fields near the signature lines, and text fields for items like dates, amounts, or special terms. Assign each field to the correct recipient so they only see what they need to complete. For critical items, mark fields as required. This prevents signers from skipping over important entries. You can also apply validation to certain fields like numbers or dates to reduce errors. Before sending, make sure your agreement covers the key components: a clear property description, the purchase price and deposit, contingencies or conditions, timelines and closing date, included fixtures or exclusions, and signatures from all required parties. Clear terms reduce back and forth and speed up closing. When everything looks good, click send. Add a concise subject line and a helpful message so recipients know exactly what they're signing. After you send, both parties will receive an email to review and sign. You can track status in your Docusign dashboard and receive a completion notice along with the finalized time-stamped agreement.